Hey everyone! Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a note on Instagram and even how to add music to it. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, go ahead and tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner. That's where your chats are. At the top of your chat list, you'll see your profile picture with a little plus icon or a leave a note option. Tap on your profile picture, and now you'll see the space where you can type your note. Write anything you want, maybe a quick update, a funny thought, or just say hi to your followers. Now, if you want to make it more fun, you can also add music to your note. Just tap the music icon, search for a song, and select the one you like. Once you're done typing your note or picking a song, just tap on Share. Your note will now appear at the top of your followers' chat lists, and it will stay there for 24 hours. And that's it. That's how you create a note on Instagram and add music to it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.